Marketing managers are responsible for promoting a company's products or services to the right people. They plan campaigns, manage social media, create adverts, and work with a team to attract more customers. Marketing managers often use data to understand what people like, then use that information to make better choices. They also work closely with designers, writers, and sales teams to make sure the brand's message is clear and effective. A marketing manager usually earns between £35,000 and £60,000 a year, depending on their experience, industry, and location. Those just starting in the role may earn around £30,000, while senior marketing managers, or those working in large companies or in London, can earn over £70,000. Some also receive bonuses based on how well their campaigns perform. To become a marketing manager, most people start with a degree in marketing, business, or a similar subject. Some begin in junior roles and work their way up by gaining experience and taking extra courses. Professional qualifications from organizations like the Chartered Institute of Marketing, CIM, can also help. Employers look for creativity, good communication skills, and an understanding of how to reach different audiences,